In today's video, I'm showing you a beachfront hotel in Vietnam that you can rent on a monthly basis. Whether you are from Europe, US or anywhere else in the world, what you get for this price is pretty awesome and might actually surprise you. I'll give you a tour of the room with panoramic windows, a mountain view and a partial sea view. You'll see the hotel amenities like the gym and rooftop pool plus the beach right across the street. We'll take a quick walk around the neighborhood too, where you can find anything you need within walking distance. So let's start. So the room that I got is located pretty high up, which is good. I'll be honest, I wasn't that lucky at the start and I had to ask to switch the rooms, but that's a long story for another video. These panoramic windows is probably my favorite part of this room. They let in tons of natural light from early morning, so if you don't close the blinds, you wake up pretty much with the sunrise. Opening the door fills the room with so much light and the city noise, which makes you feel alive instantly. So waking up early was easy, even though the bed is really comfortable. This studio also comes with a kitchenette, though I didn't use it much. Eating out turned out to be so affordable that cooking at home didn't really make any sense. Still, it was nice to have a space to warm up the food or make some coffee. You also get some plates, utensils, microwave, basically everything you need. And I believe you can also ask for a rice cooker. Another great thing about this room is the shower with a glass window facing the bedroom. You can enjoy the natural sunlight, just see the sun and mountain view while showering. Such a cool experience. As you can see, the desk was originally in a different spot, but it's great to have an option to move it closer to the balcony or window for a better flow. And another thing that I truly appreciated was the good storage space. There was plenty of room for organizing your clothes, equipment, and whatever you have with you, so you can make it feel like home and not like living out of suitcase. The option I chose included daily housekeeping, towel changes, and so on, but you can actually exclude those services to lower your rent. Wow. You can also pay for water, electricity and internet separately, but I preferred the all-included package to not worry about the usage and know the cost upfront. The gym is included in price and is on the 6th floor, so let's go check it out. As for the hotel gym, it's surprisingly well equipped compared to most of the hotel gyms I saw before, and it even has a reformer room, which is very unusual, and of course you pay extra for that, and you can hire a personal trainer there too. Okay, so moving on the same 6th floor there is a pool you can access for free, and by free I mean it's included in the price for hotel guests only. It has pretty amazing views, although the pool itself is in the shadow and I didn't use it even once. But if you're looking to escape the sun, it's a perfect spot. You can also eat here, and I thought it would be a good place to work from laptop, but unfortunately the internet speed is too weak on this floor and it wasn't really possible. Now let's go take a look at the beach, which is just a few minutes away. For a city center beach is surprisingly clean and well maintained. The access to the beach itself is free, but you can of course rent sunbeds or even find a beach bar with a pool. There are also plenty of spots around to grab a fresh coconuts or fruits for just under $1. At night you will also see a beach cleaner type of machine smoothing out the sand and keeping it nice for the next day. This beach gets more crowded in the morning after sunrise and again in the evening during sunset, when both tourists and locals come out to swim, exercise or just relax. But if you're looking for a quieter spot, you can find one just within 10-15 minutes walk or just a quick bike ride. One of the best things about living right by the beach is starting mornings here, grabbing some takeaway food, iced coffee while you're still half asleep, and then fully waking up on a warm sand, just sitting there feeling the morning sun and then maybe going for a quick swim. One of the best ways to start the day. One thing that really stands out, especially if you're coming from a different background, is how active Vietnamese people are. You'll see people of all ages moving, stretching, staying close to the nature, and it's honestly inspiring to watch and observe, and over time you naturally start picking up on those habits too. For the rooftop pool you can get a day pass and stay until sunset, so basically around 5-6 p.m. And after that they turn a space into a bar. You can come here for drinks and dancing. Since there is an extra charge for the rooftop pool, it keeps the space from getting overcrowded, which is awesome, though of course it depends on the season. I never had trouble finding a sunbed and I switched it a few times during the day. Being up here with the incredible views of Vietnam, the mountains, the sea, the islands, the beach itself, it makes you realize the value you get for your budget in different parts of the world is so different. And I'm not trying to say that $500 or $1,000 is a small amount of money. Of course you have to earn it, you have to work for that, but what you get here in comparison to what you get in a Western country right now is just amazing. Not only it's great for your physical health, since you have opportunity to swim, be physically active, be in the sun, it has such a positive impact on your overall well-being and your mental health as well. As you can see, this is a bar area and sometimes they organize events and parties here. The Wi-Fi was good, so it makes it possible to work from here. And since this is a 360 area, you can follow the sun and watch it set over the mountains and the city. Generally, the lobby and the entrance area are always very lively and busy, and as a solo traveler, I really appreciated feeling safe here. As you can probably guess, this isn't the best place to exchange money with a good rate, but it's convenient in case of urgency, so it's good to have it here. There is a coffee shop here too in the lobby, but of course I'd recommend checking out some local spots for Vietnamese coffee or just generally so many interesting places around, yet it's still convenient to have one here. Wi-Fi is solid in this outdoor sitting area and I've seen many people working here too. When it comes to the neighborhood, keep in mind it's right in what's considered to be the city center, which might not be for everyone. I've heard mixed opinions about this area, but as a solo traveler, it was perfect for me. I never felt unsafe, and honestly, I love the noise, the energy, and all the places and people to observe. The noise can be a bit much for some people, but you can easily escape it with just a few minutes walk or a bike ride. The best part is that everything you need is within walking distance. Pharmacies, shops, supermarkets, fruit market, ATM, literally everything. If I needed to go somewhere more than 20 minutes walk away, then I would take a bike or a taxi, which are both super cheap here. So many interesting places around, coffee shops to work from, breakfast, dinner spots, services. You can never get bored here, and somehow adventure always finds you, even if you're traveling or living alone here. And this little narrow street just across from the hotel became my favorite morning stroll.